Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the full message window because inline edits aren't safe in the reading pane. First, open Outlook Desktop and double-click to pop the email into its own window. If messages are grouped by conversation and that hides the one you need, toggle Conversation View off to isolate it. Once the message window is open, place your cursor where the emoji appears. You'll use Edit commands next. Make sure you're editing a local copy or draft, not a received message, set to read only. Next, enter Edit Message mode so you can change content. Go to Message, choose Actions, then Edit Message. This unlocks the body for direct edits. Now select the emoji. If it's a character, drag or shift plus arrow to highlight. If it's an embedded image, click its border. Press Delete or Backspace for characters, or right-click the image and choose Cut for embedded artwork. Once removed, scan the surrounding text for hidden zero-width spaces or style artifacts, and remove them too to keep formatting clean. Finally, save your edits and either send the corrected message or close after saving a clean draft. Use File Save or Ctrl+S to persist changes. If the emoji still shows due to hidden formatting, copy the message body into a plain text editor like Notepad, then paste back to strip styles, then reformat. If Edit Message is disabled on a received mail, choose Save as to store a local copy, open that file, remove the emoji, and resend. One tip: if anything goes wrong, revert to the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.